But this joy that I have, God Almighty, it's joy that I have throughout been given me, and throughout can't take it away. Say, I don't know about you, but I'm reaching to my wealthy place. I'm getting ready to walk in my wealthy place. Somebody say, yeah. God Almighty, look at your neighbor and tell him, say, neighbor, change position. This time I want you to do a prophetic gesture. Don't just sit there, but look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, change positions. Wait a minute. What you got to understand is that when you change position, the enemy don't know where you are. He can't find you when you change position. Look at him now. He's looking for you, but he can't find you because you have changed. Look at somebody and say it ain't gonna be the same. You need to see where you winded up, where you was. Look at where you're at now. Imagine the enemy trying to figure out what just happened. What just happened? I gave him a shift change. I shifted. And now I'm somewhere else. Somebody ought to say, hey. Ladies and neighbor, I believe I dance right here where I am.